Hi viewers, welcome to my kitchen. On today's episode, we'll be making spaghetti fried rice. Before we start, I would like to tell you that you should please like, comment, share, turn on the notification, and go to my YouTube channel to do all that. The name of my YouTube channel is Mary Dami on YouTube. And let's get cooking. I will name all of my ingredients. I have pasta, carrot, pepper, habanero pepper, sweet peas, green beans, onion, sweet corn, Mary Dami spice, seasoning powder, shrimp, and this special seasoning, and I'll be adding my salt. Now we will allow our water to get boiled before adding in our pasta and salt. Now we will get started with our vegetables. We add oil to the pot, just a little, because you don't want it to be saturated with oil. Now we'll be seasoning our shrimp. First of all, season it before we cook it. This is it. We will add seasoning powder to it. We will add a little bit of salt. We will add Mary Dami spice to it. This one is important. Add it. Then you mix it together. I know water is there, that's why I want that water to be there so that I can coat everything. Then we add it one after the other. You cook it for a little, see that it has pumping. That is the time that you will stop. You will stop cooking it. Because if it is too much, if it is cooked too much, you will be rubbery. You will be tough. Now, this is what I want. I do not want to cut it. I just want it to be cooked. That's why. Okay. You make sure that it's cooked. Then we will get on with the next part. The water is not boiled yet, so allow it to. Now we will remove it from the frying pan and put it in our bowl. Now the water is hot. We are going to add the spaghetti. I've added my pasta into the pot. I will allow it to cook for a few minutes because I didn't want it to cook too much so that it will not be saggy. Okay. Now I'll be cooking my vegetables. I will start with my onion. Add the onion, let it cook. You don't need too much oil for this recipe. This is the pepper, habanero pepper. But if you don't like pepper, skip it. Now, this one. Carrot, because it's hard, add it. use any vegetable that you like. You can't use spinach or any green, living green. Let it cook, let it cook. I cook it halfway through, so let's pour it. Everything has been sauteing in this frying pan. I'm going to pour it in this place, in this big pot. Then you need a little oil. That's what that you will need. We have the sweet peas. We have the beans, green beans. We have the sweet corn to the pot. Let's mix everything together. This is the time you need to season your food. Please season it and use Mary Dami spice to season it. That's it. Just use Mary Dami spice to season it. They are making spaghetti fried rice, don't forget. I'm using this my spice too to make it tantalizing. Mary Dami spice is already making fabulous. So, seasoning powder, one salt, because our pasta did not have any salt. That's why I'm adding a lot of salt. I reserve the water from the pasta so I can add it to it if you need water. So we add our cooked. You see, I do not allow it to cook very well so that everything can sengemenge. You see that you need water, and tell you that you need water. Then add water to it, your pasta water, just add a little bit of it to it. You're not making pasta soup, just making pasta. You're making spaghetti fried rice. Then allow it to cook until it's completely done. Let's add the shrimp with all the juice. Let's stir it together. Let it steam together. We are making fried spaghetti. That is spaghetti and vegetable. Fried spaghetti. Let's plate. See how fabulous it looks.